Hi students, today we're working on page 713 and 714, chapter 10, lesson 1. This is on my own, so please make sure you help me along the way because I really need your help. So please follow along as I read the instructions. Identify each shape. Remember that the word identify means to say what shape it is. Circle the name, write the number of faces and vertices. So let's look at number 3. Let's look at this shape. Is this a cube or is it a rectangular prism? This is a cube. So I'm going to circle cube. Okay, so make sure you say it along with me. This is a green cube. And the green cube has how many faces? Remember, it is every little side that we're able to see from the cube. So watch. This is one face, 2 faces, 3 faces, 4 faces, 5 faces, and 6 faces. So a cube has 6 faces and it has 8 vertices. Good job. Number 4. What kind of orange shape is this? Remember, these are 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, so what type of orange 3-dimensional shape is this one? Is it a cube or is it a rectangular prism? This is a rectangular prism. I know that's a big word, huh? But it helps us know what kind of shape it is made out of. So remember, a rectangular prism is made out of rectangles, right? So the rectangular prism has how many faces? Let's count. Make sure you help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it has the same number of faces just as a cube. So the rectangular prism has 6 faces and it has 8 vertices. Great job. Let's keep going. It says, circle the shape of the faces that make each shape or each object. So number 5, this is a box, but this box is in the shape of a cube. And what kind of shape makes this object? Is it a circle that makes a cube? Is it a square that makes a cube? A triangle or rectangle? It is a square that makes this specific object. So I am going to circle the square just like that. Okay, number 6. This is like the plastic wrap that we have in our kitchens. And we need to look at the shape. And which of these shapes do you think is used to make this object? A circle? Trapezoid? Triangle or rectangle? It is a rectangle, right? Because this is a rectangular prism. So I'm going to circle the rectangle. Great job. For number 7, it says, circle the object that can be made by the faces. By the faces. Remember, the faces are every little part of the cube that we can see, or the rectangular prism. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different faces. What do you think they can use those 6 different faces to make? Also, pay attention to the shapes that these are. These are squares. So which of these objects could be made using 6 faces that are the shape of a square? That's right. They can make a cube, right? They can make a cube. This cube has 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the bottom part, which would make the 6th part. All right? Great job. So now let's turn the page and let's look at number 8. This is a word problem, so please follow along with me. What shape are the faces on this cube of cheese? Draw each shape. So let me draw the piece of cheese that we have over here, just so we can have it closer to us. So let me draw it out. Okay, so this is our little block of cheese. So what shape is being used to make this block of cheese? It's a square, right? And how many pieces of the block of cheese, or how many squares, are being used to put it together? Remember, how many faces does a cube have? It has 6. So that means that they are using 6 squares to put together the 3-dimensional shape of a cube. Okay, and so the shape that they're using for this cube is a square. Great job, my friends. Let's keep going. We have one more. If you put these shapes together, what 3-dimensional shape do you make? Circle the name of the shape. If you put all of these together, let's see. What do you think? Would we get a cube or would we get a rectangular prism? Remember, a rectangular prism has squares and rectangles in it. So look at, we have some cubes and we have some rectangular prisms. Or not rectangular prisms, but rectangles. So what kind of shape would we be able to make if we combined, or if we put all of these together? We would have a rectangular prism, friends. So I'm going to circle that, and we're all done with this page. Thank you so much for all your help. I'll see you next time.